Hi, I'm Brent Adams, and in this short tutorial, I'll help you learn how to use Realist to market your listings and farm for new ones. I'll cover how to print mailing labels and how to export customized information out of Realist for use in Excel and other programs. Information exported from Realist can be imported into many programs, such as those that support contact management or those that generate statistics about sales activity or pricing trends. Let's say I'm an agent that just sold the property located under the red icon. I'm interested in marketing to the residents of this neighborhood to create future listing opportunities. So I'll create a just sold mailing campaign to generate leads, and I'll start by doing a polygon around the neighboring homes to which I want to send my mailer. Click on the drawing tools or pencil icon at the upper right of the map and select Polygon Tool. I can click on the map at various points and define a specific search area. This helps me target my marketing campaign to those I feel who will be most likely to respond to it. I can now run a search and find every property located within this shape. But I can also filter my results further to target my campaign. If I'm an agent who specializes in single-family residential properties and I know there are condominiums in the area, I can specify the type of homeowners I'd like to market to. By choosing single-family residential in the County Land Use search attribute under the My Search option, I will only return homes of this type in my search results. To eliminate those prospects who I feel are less likely to respond to my mailing, I may choose to look at when they purchased their property. Using sale date and changing the search operator to less than, I can input a date of January 1st, 2007. I'll now only find single-family residential property owners who have owned their properties for at least 6 years as of today's date. They'll be more likely to respond to my mailing than someone who purchased their home just last month. The results are returned both on the map and the grid. Now I'll sort these properties by listing status by clicking the column header for Listing Indicator. This way, I can easily spot the properties in the area that are actively listed and eliminate them from my mailing by unchecking the checkbox next to them. I'm now ready to export my results. Click the Create Labels button at the bottom of the grid. A new window will pop up that will allow me to select the type of label I'd like to create, Avery 5160 or 5161 for 2 or 3 across and 10 down labels. I can then choose to use the tax billing address or property address for these properties. The tax billing address, or where the owner has their tax information sent each year, represents the owner's primary residence. This is helpful when dealing with investment properties or second homes. Mailings to property addresses may also reach renters of these properties. In addition, there's a chance my mailer could be delivered to vacant homes. You may choose to use the owner's names as they appear on the deeds to these properties. However, homes are often held in trust, and those trust names can appear at the top of the labels. To easily fix this, you may want to use a customized salutation, such as Future Home Seller, which could work for this just sold mailing. You may also choose to use a combination of owner name and customized salutation. In this example, I'm adding or current resident to each of my labels. To only generate one label for a property owner who owns multiple properties in your search area, check Eliminate Duplicate Labels. You may also specify a range of labels you wish to print. Please note that under the Preferences section, you may also choose to have Realist filter out any labels on the Do Not Mail list. The Do Not Mail list is maintained by the Direct Marketing Association and some states that identify individuals who do not wish to receive direct mail solicitations. Your compliance with this is voluntary, but recommended. Each user is allowed a specific number of labels per month determined by your MLS. The allowance is reset monthly. Hit the Create button and a .rtf or rich text format file will be generated. This can be opened in most word processing programs. In this case, Microsoft Word. Once the labels are generated, you can edit the font type or size and change any other formatting you wish. Put the correct label sheet in your printer and print and affix them to the postcard or envelope containing your message. Please note that Realist does not save these labels. You must save the file on your computer if you plan to use them again. Let's close out of the labels, and now take a look at exports. If you'd like to export even more information into a CSV format, for those who use a mailing house for their marketing, or for those who want to export information into client management software, simply choose Export at the bottom of the grid. You may export all of the data found in the grid as it is currently displayed in Realist, or create a customized export using the Customize option. I'll load a custom export template that I previously created with all the mailing information for these same properties. Alternatively, you can choose to use as many fields as you like for up to 3,000 properties at one time. These export templates can be saved by you as well. Hit the Export button, and the file will open up in a CSV format. In this case, I'll open it up using Excel. I now have the same list of properties with all the address data available to me in a spreadsheet format that I can use for whatever purposes I wish. And that concludes the Realist Export tutorial. We hope that you found this powerful feature from Realist helpful.